Hi guys, Pam again. I don't want you to get discouraged if the results of an assessment are not where you want them to be. This is going to happen. Learning or relearning all of this content takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of effort. There are going to be times you're going to feel disappointed in your self-assessment scores. If you spend the time to self-reflect on why you got the question wrong, learning is taking place. If you were perfect to start off with, you wouldn't even really need this review and you wouldn't be listening to me. There is muscle memory being built every time you're taking a multiple choice question. You are learning more than you think, and each time you get something incorrect, reflect on why. Don't try to replace volume of multiple choice questions for quality of learning. That is, don't do more and more questions without understanding why you're getting those questions wrong.